Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chippin, and today what we're gonna cook is peppered gizzards. All right. So what I actually have here is gizzards and hearts. I went to the store and I could not get just gizzards, but no problem at all because hearts are delicious too. So our ingredients is gonna be, of course, the gizzards and the hearts. We have here some onions, green onions too. We have green bell peppers, some habanero peppers, we have ginger, and some jalapeno peppers. Y'all know what time it is. We're about to get busy. It's about to go down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our gizzards and hearts in a pot and make sure they're clean, you know. Make sure there's no blood and nothing at all that we don't want to eat. So what we have here is chopped ginger and chopped onions. All right. So you see, I choose to leave the skin of the ginger on. You can peel it off if you don't want to. It's all fine. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend the ginger and the onion, and we're gonna move on to the next step. Almost forgot that I'm gonna need jalapenos to add to my blended stuff. That is the onions and the ginger. So yes, there we go. Add some salt to taste. Add water and blend. All set. So once we're done blending, we're gonna add our vegetables, our blended vegetables, to our gizzards. You give it a gentle stir, and then we're gonna cover it and leave it to cook. You don't know what time it is. It's going down, baby. So now that we have our gizzards cooking, what you want to do is prep your vegetables for the next step. All right. So we have here our bell pepper, onions, green onions, habanero peppers, and the jalapenos, and of course ginger. So what you want to do is just chop them up and get it ready, because we're gonna blend these. All right. So chop them up to blendable sizes, right?
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
So there you have the vegetables all done and ready to blend. So after blending the vegetables that we use in cooking the gizzards and hearts, I mean, there's no need to rinse the blender because it's basically the same vegetables that we're going to be blending now. So after blending it, what we're gonna do is like some sort of frying. So this video is actually inspired by Sweet Adjeley. Shout out to Sweet Adjeley. All right. In her video, normally you would want to add oil to a pot or to a skillet, and when the oil is heated, you're gonna add your vegetables. All right. But she suggested not to do that straight away. You sort of fry your vegetables before you add the oil, and that is supposed to prevent the sauce from splattering all over. I've actually tried this. I have done it, and before bringing it to video, it actually worked perfectly. So once again, shout out to Sweet Adjeley for that. So in our skillet, I pour in our blended vegetables.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Got your
adobo all-purpose seasoning and garlic powder. So these are the two seasonings that I'm going to use for the pepper sauce. We're just keeping it simple, nothing extraordinary, just these two. You'll know what time it is. Just look at that. Already popping up. There we go. As you can see, most of the liquid has drained. Is looking thicker. That is how you want it. So I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for a little bit more. At this stage, you'd want to add your oil, not too much, just a little bit.
going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run?
So now I think it's thick enough to my consistency or my desired consistency. What I'm gonna do is add in my cooked gizzards.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting.
What you want to do is cover it and leave it to cook on medium heat. You'd want to throw in some sliced onions just for more added flavor. You all know what time it is. I'm a love for onions.
I got it on me right now. Strong point at it. Pull up. We gon' do that. Pull up. Say pull up. Run it back. Say pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up. Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it.
At this stage, we all done. Just look at that thick sauce, and this joint here tastes super delicious. So you can actually have this like a snack or an appetizer, or you can just add it to a main meal, like rice, yam, potatoes, kenke, whatever you feel, whatever that's gonna work with you. Bangkun, you don't know what time it is. About to go down.